Hey folks, McDuff here, and we're just going to do a little box break of a 2024-25 PWHL blaster box. I am still trying to collect the base set on these, so there's quite a few things left. I would love to get some of that extra stuff there that would be, deluxes or exclusives or all that sort of thing. The other shaded players are all Vancouver Golden Knights. So let's see how we do here. Open up the side of it. I should probably do this on camera. I've never done one of these before. I just figured I'd share it out. So we've got 3 and 4, 5. There we go. Let's see how we do. So first pack. Let's see what we get here. So we have Kendall Cohen-Shelfield. She's on the list. That's nice. Alec Carpentier. No. Brianna Jenner from the Charge. Sarah Nurse from the Scepters. She was on the list. And a Vancouver Golden Knight. That's pretty good. Maureen Murphy. Ooh, I got Dazzler. Let's see that. And I should move this to that side so you can see the list better. Teresa Vanizova, Purple Dazzler. Another Golden Eye that I am quite happy to get. Let's try pack 2. Let's see. Got the front there. So, Kristen Campbell, another Golden Eye I don't have. We're doing pretty well here. Taylor Heiss, which I don't have. Excellent. There we go. Elaine Chuli. Let's throw those over here. Erin Frankel, which I also don't have. This is a great pack for me. Maddie Rooney, which I don't have. And a Claire Thompson Young Gun. Very nice. This seems to be a heck of a lucky pack. I guess I should film more of these. This is all stuff that I need or want. So, hey, cool. Nicole Hensley. Lee Stecklin. Natalie Spooner. Jamie Bourbonnais. Daryl Watts. And Nicole Hensley Pink Dazzler. Nice, the rare one. That's very cool. Nothing mind-blowing yet, but still pretty good stuff. I suppose I should double check to make sure I didn't miss a deluxe, because I do tend to overlook those pretty easily. Didn't miss one, did I? No. How about on this pile? Just double check. Nothing with a serial number that I missed, eh? No, okay, we're good. Always good to check, I suppose. There we go, and we have here Lena Mueller. If I'm getting any names wrong, my apologies to anyone who can actually understand me. Jocelyn LaRocque. Grace Zumwinkle. Is she on the list? No. Susanna Tapani. Mika Zandy Hart. And an elevated Teresa Cheval. Ooh boy, Chavazel I'm gonna go with. So that's very cool. And last pack. Try to get this on the screen here. So, hey, Mashi. Already have her, but you know, always nice. Chloe Orard. MVP. Very nice. That would have been nice to have been exclusive or something. Claire Dalton. Blaine Turnbull. It looks strange. It looks similar. Oh, it's a Young Gun. And Kaylee Osborne. Hope you enjoyed.